Hello. Welcome to Somebody Farm. I'm Stephen Watson, here with today's Tàijíquán Tip. So I have some bags of donated clothes for Ukrainian crisis. So first of all, it's nice. People have been donating, and that's been wonderful. But of course, I'm about to practice. I'm about to teach a class. I'm about to film this. And so what comes natural is, let me just get those out of the way and clear my practice space. Physically, but also psychologically. Get that out of my mind. And that's a common reflexive process in practice, maybe even necessary. Perhaps we do have to shift our attention clear from our mind in order to do something that's important to do. But I think it can be a really helpful practice, as I've done this week, just left these right here in my way and accepted them as an opportunity to work around and through and with them. But the larger point really is accept them as an opportunity to keep something that's difficult, troubling, challenging, painful in my mind while I do my practice. Quite often we think of our practice as something that's an oasis, which is nice, and again, perhaps necessary. But can I invite something into the mind that's painful, unsettled, challenging, and keep it in my mind while I practice? And in this case, perhaps even have a token of that thing, a physical thing, in the way of the practice. So that's the Tàijíquán tip for today. Physically enter, bring something into your practice space that's going to have to make you physically adjust and therefore stay psychologically present for that difficulty through the practice. And if you can't do it physically, you can do it in your mind, and that'll be just fine. So thank you very much. And remember, this art was far more difficult for you when you began. So it can be helpful to remember that when a beginner comes into your field. Thank you.
Here are all the ways you can help besides online reviews and subscriptions. Thank you, thank you, thank you.